I think you shouldn't smoke because it hurts your body. It destroys your physical appearance, it hurts other people, and also kills a lot of other people. And a lot of negative effects also. These are what hurts your body. First, smoking can hurt your lungs by making it hard to breathe. Smoking can cause cancer, and it can spread through the body. And you can get killed, you can get addicted to smoking, and you can't stop smoking. Next, you can get wrinkles around your lips, and it can make you look old. If you smoke, you can stink a lot. Also, if you smoke, you can get stains on your teeth, and you can look bad. Also, you can have bad breath from smoking. This is what it can look like around your lips from smoking. Secondhand smoking is as bad as smoking. Also, you can lose the color on your fingernails. Also, thumbs bleed and swell, and they are really painful. That is why you shouldn't smoke, because it is bad for you.